Attention, vehicle garages and maintenance professionals. Are you ready to revolutionize the way you diagnose Honda vehicles? Allow us to introduce you to the DAS723 PRO ULTRA by DaTo, the game changer in auto diagnostics. Today, we'll demonstrate just how effortless it is to diagnose a Honda vehicle using the DAS723 PRO ULTRA. Watch as the DAS723 PRO ULTRA instantly identifies your Honda's make and model. The DAS723 PRO ULTRA's universal compatibility ensures it seamlessly integrates with a wide range of vehicles, including your Honda. Begin the diagnosis with a single tap. The DAS723 PRO ULTRA's robust software immediately communicates with your Honda's onboard systems, providing you with a comprehensive diagnostic report. You can effortlessly view and interpret the data right on the device. It's that straightforward. With the DAS723 PRO ULTRA, diagnosing Honda vehicles is now a walk in the park. It's the must-have tool for vehicle garages and maintenance professionals who demand precision, speed, and efficiency. Don't miss out on the future of auto diagnostics. Elevate your garage with the DAS723 PRO ULTRA today. DaTo, leading the way in automotive technology.